walking you through the roommates matching section of the housing application. First, you will see your roommate profile, so that will include your gender, classification, and any specific communities you might be in. And then you have two options to find a roommate. You can search for a specific roommate who you might have found on social media and have already decided to be roommates together. Or you can use here to find any of your suggested roommates of people who you might be compatible with. So first, we can search for a specific roommate. And we definitely suggest that you enter their AUID number, as it's less likely to have any spelling errors. Once you type that in, you can search for them down here and view all of their basic information as well as their percentage match with you. Here you can just go ahead and invite them. You can send them a message or view their profile to see the specific responses to that roommate matching questionnaire. From here you can go back and then search for any of the suggested roommates. It will only be showing you those who match your 3 criteria, but on here you can see their basic information as well, and the same information as viewing their profile. You can also then send them a message before you guys decide to be roommates, just to get to know each other. But here we can invite the roommate to your roommate group, and I'll bring you back to this page where you can scroll down and see your outgoing requests. You can then and edit your group name. Some people like to have a fun one. Let's just name us Team Awesome. Then for here you can see your group and continue adding people, whether it be specific or suggested roommates, and you can add up to 4 people to your roommate group. And that is roommate matching for the housing application.